Hello, if you wonder where are your download files on the HTC U Ultra, just let me show you. So let's go to the files here, and as you can see there's option with downloads, and here we have 2 files and 2 benchmark. But of course I'm gonna show you how it works when we download something from the Google Chrome. We can type here, for example, Oliver Kahn, go to the images, now click on this image, hold, click on the download, and now we have to back to our files, and as you can see there it is, the Oliver Kahn with the bleeding head. So thank you for watching, leave likes, subscriptions and of course comments below.